Hi everyone, this is the Kanchenjunga view from Hotel Elgin, Mount Pandim in Pelling. And this thing behind this mountain, you can see a slope. That's the Mount Kanchenjunga. This video is being recorded at Feb 16, 2021. This is the hotel, and it's early morning. You can see everyone here. We've been waiting for this view for now 3 days. It was all foggy, but finally we are able to see the mountain. And it's not clear yet, but you can see how beautiful everything is. And we saw whole golden sunlight and sunrise and everything, and it's very beautiful. Also, the view you get from this hotel is mesmerizing. Just look at here. First of all, the location is wonderful, and the flora of whole Sikkim is amazing. And there you see, there's I think in front of you at the top is the skywalk. This is the greenhouse where all your vegetables are grown and stuff. Now it's been 3 days. Tomorrow will be my last. I was hoping that I could see Kanchenjunga as soon as possible. And finally I can see it. Currently it's not quite that visible, but I have seen it early morning. It was a very beautiful scene. Thanks everyone. If you're coming to Pelling, I would prefer you stay in this hotel, because not only its view, the whole heritage is wonderful. And now they are making a new hotel. You can see that shade, that's the new hotel. So if I think they allot the room in heritage building and the new building according to the number of days you visit. I think that. I don't know if it's the same reason. But yeah, I'm here for like 5 days, so they have allotted me an heritage room. And I can see the complete mountain view from my room as well. So I totally love this. And temperature here in Pelling is it's around 10 degrees, I think, around 10 degrees. And look at the flora. It's wonderful. It's beautifully maintained and everything. But if you're scared of spiders, I would suggest watch out your steps in your washroom. I've seen some big ass spider here, man. Very nice and big spiders. And I'm in my room slippers, as you can see, because I'm an idiot. I shouldn't have come here in room slippers, because I would slip and fall. This is the hotel. It's very beautiful. See, Kanchenjunga is very beautiful, I know. Kanchenjunga view is very beautiful. But I will post a scene where you will see all fogged up view. And I think it's equally very nice. Not more or less, but equally it is very nice view. If anyone has been in a cloudy place like Lonavala, Khandala or Pachmadi, same view with this heritage place. It's like amazing experience. And the food is nice. I will give a Google map review of this place. Please check it out. Anupam's review on Google Maps. After my visit is completed, I will surely give a Google map review, and you can see the clouds are moving over Kanchenjunga. It seems like Kanchenjunga is generating his own pair of clouds, because they are moving endlessly from quite a while now. And the peak should be clear, you know. I just want the clear peak, nothing else. Everything you can see here. Okay. Do you want me to give let me give you a whole complete hotel tour. Otherwise, there's no sense of making a video, you know. Fuck. Because some people will say, hey, show me the doggy, show me this, show me that, show me room, show me interior. I'll show you. Look at this. This is the dining area. And everything outside you see is a resting area for this beautiful view. And this is the dining area. It's all wood and everything is heritage. The tables here are reserved on your name. And the interiors are beautiful, man. Interiors have photographs from like very old time. The Chogyal rulers and Namgyal rulers, everyone has been here. And let me show you the interiors. Look at the interiors. They're beautiful. Look at all these artifacts, heritage. And these are all paintings made by the visitors who have been here, because this hotel has been present from like 1942. So it has been here for quite a while. And this is the room corridor. One set of rooms are here and another is up on the upper floor. Look at this heritage. Beautiful things are here. You can see how well lit, and the temperature is maintained because it has one, two, and three fire places, and multiple heaters are installed. There's this mini bar, and the beautiful sketches everywhere. Let me show you outside. This place. This is the reception desk. And look at all these potteries and stuff. Please sanitize your hand and minds as well. These are the local flowers. One thing I want to tell you that the flora of Sikkim is incomparable. You will see nowhere you can see such a nice variety of plants. Because look at them. Everything here is so. And these are the two dogs.